see. If you hear my voice, I'll probably get popped here, so. Oh, don't worry about it. That's a nice vehicle. Oh yeah. Very nice, 65. 327. Nice.
Oh, there's that nice dyno sound in the background. $70 for a couple pulls. That's a pretty good deal, everybody. I don't know when the last time you had your vehicle on a dyno, but I'm sure it wasn't $70. All right, I'm going to be bouncing out to the four corners here. We'll see if we can find some victims.
Oh yeah. $1966. Very nice. SS convertible.
I want to welcome everybody here to the street.
Nice. Oh yeah. It's not an SS. I thought it was, but still. It's a 1966 Impala convertible. Can't be more than that. Nice. That's nice. Super Sport. Very nice. Nice. 66. Roadrunner. Heck yeah. Yep. Got a Nova. Got a couple nice vehicles over there. Nice one right here.
Got a low red wagon too.
Nice.
Oh, and I think he might have a
Very nice.
How you doing today?
Good. What's happening?
Well, you enjoying the day?
Oh, I know. It's a beautiful day.
Yep. Did you pick it out or did you pick it out?
Colbert. Unsafe at any speed, right? Love it. Over here is a cool one over here. Nice. That's nice. What year is this bad boy?
61.
What?
61.
Oh my goodness. How long have you had this one?
Oh God, since I started it, I had it in 2000. Let's just say that, and I sold it in 2005, and I bought it back.
You animal. They always say the happy day you buy it and happy day you sell it.
I've done that with
Want to
3
give a shout
cars.
out to Herbie
Sold them
and
and then
Don
ended up
and
buying a damn.
Yeah, I get it. It's like remarrying your wife.
I never paid as much for them as I sold them.
I know. I agree.
Hi.
Nice job, my friend.
How you doing, brother? What's your name?
We have a Super Sport.
Blown Rangers, looking good. What I like about the show is it always attracts a bunch of nice cars. Saw a few little big dusters. A lot of familiar cars, a lot of familiar faces as well. We are into the QA1 auto.
Nice. Nice.
Throughout the week, with
Bad boy.
IAM. Good Chevy pickup truck. Couple of them here.
Nice.
You got that download going. It's $70 for 2 poles. It's a pretty good deal. You may want to check that out.
Nice.
I want to give a shout out to our friends at MG Trailer. We've got a variety of trailers on display. I'm sure they're looking to make a good deal if you guys are in the market. Go talk to them. MG Trailer.
Classic. These Monte Carlos, if you ever find one of these, crashed up in Enduros. Big dogs. V27. So I like this show. You don't see cars like this anymore. You just
No,
don't.
you don't.
I love it. I mean, I love the 50, but I owned a 65 Chevy Impala. My
Okay.
first car, I loved it. I love the old Impalas. Too bad they stopped making them.
Yep.
They loved them over in Saudi Arabia, the big ones. They loved them.
Did they?
Oh, the 350, because they loved them because they were so good in the
Yep.
desert. Yeah, I love these.
Original 327.
Yep, I wish I had one of each year.
Man.
My own. I would be so cool to have your own.
Little collection of these.
Yeah, and then people come for free and look at them.
You know, these came in different body styles.
Yep,
The
well,
69.
yep,
Came
and-
this is the sports one. And
Correct.
The coupe,
Absolutely.
And they had the convertible
Yep.
coupe.
Yep, I saw one here a long time for sale. 69 with red, all red. It was beautiful, convertible. It was gorgeous. Yep.
A friend of mine's got a 60, I want to say a 65 Impala.
Right. Yeah.
Red.
Yep. I had one exact same thing. Be good.
All right, you can.
I'll go over here. All right. The O2 boss.
Little blown Galaxy 500 looking good. Little young couple. Little Fox body Mustang. Looks like 87.
I like that, huh? Nice. GS.
Grand National, looking good. I shoot up tomorrow instead of the Grand National. I should have bought the Grand National.
All right.
Thank you guys there.
All right. That here.